Red chili powder 4 teaspoons. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. White vinegar 1 tablespoon. Tamarind pulp 1 tablespoon. Water 3 tablespoons. Mix together until combined. Prawns 500 gram. Coat it well and marinate for 15 minutes. On medium heat, coconut oil 4 tablespoons. Add the marinade prawns. Few curry leaves. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. 1 onion sliced. 1 capsicum julienned. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. 1 tomato sliced. Mix well and cook for 5 more minutes. Few coriander leaves chopped. Mix well and prawns sukka is ready. Ready to serve with chapatis.